Dylan Rhys yn erbyn I gyn glwb heddiw. Evans o bellter, ond yn syth at Chris Mullock. Evans wedi bod yn fywiog iawn yn y munudau agoriadol. Mae drwodd ar gol. Will Evans! O'n taro'r postyn. Mor anlwcus. Harry Owen. Owen yn croesi bil yn gwyro syth at Mullock. Ond Will Evans, chwaraewr gorau'r 10 munud agoriadol yma. Fe sydd wedi dod agosa at sgorio. Lle o'i flanau fan hyn, a chyfle I groesi. Walker yn croesi'n beryglis, y bel yn cael ei chlirio gan Joel Edwards. Cyffyrddiad gwael gan Harry Owen. Wade, teg ar y postyn pesla! A Joe Phillips oedd yn methu gorffen. Tair wythnos yn ôl, Elliot Evans yn rhoi y myfyrwyr ar y blaen yn y gêm yn uwch gyngrair Cymru. O gwmpas y wal! Sut yn y byd nath Will Evans ddim rhoi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen. Y gic rydd gan Elliot Evans yn twyllo pawb. A Will Evans, wel dim ond cyffyrddiad oedd angen. Owens at Melvin, lle o'i flanau. Y bas ymlaen at rhediad Joe Phillips wedi newid asgell. Phillips yn elfyn Joel Edwards. Phillips ar ei drod chwith. Croesi'n isiel, cyffyrddiad mlaen! Ac mae'n mewn gan Michael Melvin! Melvin yn rhoi Aberystwyth ar y blaen. Yn erbyn rhediad y chwarae'n llwyr. Wel, fe fyddai'n sioc I weld Aberystwyth yn ennill, ond dyma Howell. Howell yn rhydd, ergyd nerthol. Ychydig dros y bar. Bron y bod yn syth o'r ail gychwyn. Rhys at Baker. Baker yn torri o ganol cael cyfle I groesi, mae'n gwneud hynny. Walker, camgymeriad, Hope yn taro'r bar. A dyma Baker. Ac yna, gwion Howell, ond yn syth at Mullock. Y croesiad yn dod I mewn, ac Harry Hope ar y postyn pella, y camgymeriad gan Walker, yr ergyd yn taro'r bar, a Baker a Howell yn methu manteisio, ac Aber yn dianc, nid yma tro cynta. Bas hir ymlaen yma Borelli rhwng yr amddiffynwyr. Mae'n wedi godi'r bêl dros Ben Fuller, ond dros ben y bar hefyd. Gan Luke Borelli yn dangos I gyflymdra, ond I anel ychydig yn anghywir.
We rode our luck a bit first half, first 20, which you expect, you know. They played last week against TNS in the cup final, and we've had a week off, so we always thought they're going to come at us 100 mile an hour, which they did, but we weathered that, and as you say, Ashley Young's dropped into centre defence, and I said half time to the boys, they won't keep that pressure up on us, and so it proved. You know, I thought second half we were probably the better side, and really we could have got a couple more goals there to put the game to bed a bit quicker than we had done. So, but a massive victory for us. You know, proper Welsh Cup game, and we just made up to be in the last days.
Christian, you paid the price really for not taking your chances today.
Yeah, we're Jekyll and Hyde at the moment. We're absolutely dominant first half. You know, we've passed them off the park, but it's not about possession; it's about goals. And we were sloppy with lazy people that don't do what's instructors want to do, which means others try to catch up with what they're doing, and we leave a big hole in front of our back four for their midfielder just to run in, guided, and head the ball in. And it's really disappointing. It's just questioned one or two of the boys in the dressing room. I think some have gone on holiday. We're in the top six. We're safe. We're far from safe. We set standards at this football club, and there's one or two of those boys you might not see again playing in the Welsh Premier League, because we are adamant that we want to start pressing on, and the players, they've got to go with it. If they don't, then it's the door, and they'll be playing for somebody else.
Having played two sides from the top six and beaten them, who would you like the next round?
I don't mind, you know. I just love the Welsh Cup, don't I? I think I went 28 games without defeat when I was at Bangor over them 4 years. So it was 10 years ago to this year that we beat Llanelli for the first one. So why not? You know, we'll take anyone if, as you say, except TNS.